Dear student of class 6, today we are going to start a new chapter in MT, chapter 8, Know Your Ability. Ability. Ability is the skill of a person in any field or any kind of work that he or she can do in a better way. Means ability is the strength of a person for doing anything better than other. Now, ability is the natural talent to do something well. Different people have different talent. Someone good in studies, whereas someone skilled in sport. All people do not have same efficiency in all the matters. Different people have different abilities and interest in different matter. So different people take different profession and work according to their abilities and talent. Now, in this chapter, we are going to discuss a story about a boy, Ronit, who was 17-year-old but still study in class 8th. Ronit's mother always grumbled at him that he can't learn nothing and he also know nothing, and he he is not good for nothing, whereas his brothers and sisters are so intelligent. But Ronit listened to his mother grumbling silently and say nothing. Even in class, his teacher also shouted at him that 17-year-old and you still know nothing. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Ronit sat silently in class. He sat silently because he really knew much less than the other. He could not read or write as fast as other. He wanted to learn. He tried his hard, but he could not keep up with class. So he always feels sad and be alone from other because no one wanted to be friend with a boy like him. One day he was sitting in the corner of his school field where he picked up some wet mud and began to mold it into different shape. It always made him feel better. Now, there a teacher, Mrs. Sen, came, and by seeing his molding what he made with wet clay, he really delighted and say, how beautiful is that a teddy. It is so different from the other. Now, listening these words, Ronit looked up and saw the kind lady face. Mrs. Sen was social science teacher of his school. Mrs. Sen appreciated him and made him so he wanted to show her some more articles that he made with clay. Rooney teacher could not understand why Mrs. Sen was so delighted. He said that he is an idiot child. Then Mrs. Sen replied that Ronit is not like others. He changed Ronit's life. He encouraged him to make things with clay, paper, and wood. She arranged to have them sold. His teacher stopped scolding him. Mr. Sen spoke to Ronit's mother, and she too stopped comparing with him, his brother and sister. Now Ronit confident grew up and he made many beautiful things. They were all sold quickly and his family became proud of his talent. At school also other children came to him while he was working and watching him with wonder. They all appreciate the thing he created. Now Ronit became a confident boy and his face glowed with happiness. He never felt sad and ashamed of himself again. He took it as his profession and earned his livelihood. Now, this is the story of a boy, Ronit, who always feel ashamed of him that he can't do the thing that the other children do. But once he know his ability, he become a confident boy and use his ability to earn his livelihood and other were other also appreciate him for his ability. Now this is about your chapter. Thank you.